Give me 5 minutes. Just 5 minutes, and I'll make you lock in for 2025. No fluff. No excuses. Let's get straight to it. 2025 isn't some distant future. It's closer than you think. And if you keep doing what you're doing right now, it's going to look exactly like today. Is that what you want? First, let's get real. How are you spending your time? Scrolling. Watching other people win. Stop wasting hours on things that don't matter. Every minute you lose is a minute you're stealing from your future self. Cut to someone closing social media apps and opening a notebook or a skill-building app. Replace that dead time with active growth. Learn a skill. Plan your goals. Take action. The tools are already in your hands, use them. Here's the truth, the grind isn't glamorous. It's hard. It's boring. It's uncomfortable. But it's also non-negotiable. If you want 2025 to be your year, you have to embrace the grind now. No shortcuts. No easy way out. Cut to someone waking up early, working out, studying, and pushing through challenges. Every day you show up, even when it sucks, is a day you're building the future you want. You can't do it all. Stop trying. If 2025 is going to be your year, you need to prioritize. Let some things slide. Say no to distractions. Focus on what truly matters. Cut to someone turning down a party invite to work on a project, or skipping TV to read a book. Your goals deserve your full attention. Everything else can wait. Asterisk. Here's the deal, 2025 isn't some far-off fantasy. It's right around the corner. And the time to start is now. Not tomorrow. Not next week. Right. Now. Cut to a clock ticking, then someone writing down goals, taking the first step toward a project, or signing up for a course. Take one small step today. Just one. And then another tomorrow. Momentum builds, but only if you start. 2025 will be here before you know it. The question is, what will you have to show for it? Stop waiting. Stop hesitating. Lock in. Right now. Your future self will thank you. Watch this again and take the first step today. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, subscribe for more actionable content, and share it with someone who needs to lock in for 2025. Let's make 2025 our best year yet, together. Comment below. What's one goal you're locking in for 2025? Let me know in the comments, I'd love to hear your plans.